Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and today we're gonna be doing a speed test comparison between Mi A1 and Redmi Note 7. Now Mi A1 obviously has a Snapdragon 625 versus 660 on Redmi Note 7. So on paper you can see that Redmi Note 7 is ahead, and also both the phone have Android 9, and in Redmi Note 7 you get it out of the box. In Mi A1 it was launched in 2017, so you do get it with updates. So yeah, starting with the boot up test. Let's see which phone wins it. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. Redmi. And Mi A1 has that Google thing going on. Doesn't have the Mi UI. Both phones taking some time. Android 1. Okay, so Redmi Note 7 a little bit faster, and Mi A1 is taking some time. Okay, so it's done as well. So yeah guys, let's get straight in the video, and you can see that both the phones have Android 9 and also 4 gigs of RAM. Everything is closed. Let's start phone dialer. A little bit faster on Redmi Note 7. Calendar, again a little bit faster on Redmi Note 7. Settings, again faster on Redmi Note 7. Camera, okay, so this was faster on Mi A1. Chrome, faster on Redmi Note 7. Let's try opening some social apps, starting with Pinterest. And okay, so I think that was really similar. Twitter, okay, it's definitely faster on Redmi Note 7. Snapchat, faster on Mi A1 this time. Instagram, faster on Mi A1. Facebook, again faster on Mi A1. Good to see that. And let's try opening some games, guys. Flappy Bird, faster on Redmi Note 7. Smash Hit, okay, so definitely faster on Redmi Note 7 once again. Let's open a few more games, guys. Subway Surfers. And guys, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And okay, so definitely faster on Redmi Note 7. Even with that pop or awkward, you can still see that Mi A1 taking a lot of time. GTA San Andreas, this is a really heavy game, almost like 2 GB. And again you can see that Redmi Note 7 way faster. Mi A1, okay, we should wait. And yes, faster on Redmi Note 7. Let's open some shopping apps, guys, starting with Amazon. Okay, so it opened on Redmi Note 7, and actually it has loaded on Redmi Note 7 as well. So Mi A1, it has opened right now on Mi A1. Flipkart opened, and again similar result, guys, faster on Redmi Note 7. Let's open one final shopping app, AliExpress. Opened and loaded on Redmi Note 7 again. So shopping wise really faster on Redmi Note 7, guys. Let's check out the RAM management. Subway Surfers in the RAM. Smash It in the RAM. Flappy Bird again in the RAM as well. Let's open some shopping apps. Flipkart in the RAM as well. Amazon in the RAM. GTA San Andreas in the RAM as well. Twitter. Okay, so refreshed on both. So yeah guys, there we have it, a quick little speed test comparison between Mi A1 and Redmi Note 7. Like Mi A1 being a really old phone, it was launched in 2017, as I said in the beginning of the video. I mean, did really well, I would say. Not a bad phone at all, has Android 9. But we should also keep in mind that Redmi Note 7 has Snapdragon 660, so it was faster gaming wise and also in shopping apps. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.